Calling peanut butter a diet food, with 180 to 210 calories per serving, may seem counterintuitive. But it has the enviable combination of fiber, 2 grams per serving, and protein, 8 grams per serving, that fills you up and keeps you feeling full longer, so you eat less overall. There's nothing more indulgent than licking peanut butter off a spoon, and indulgence helps dieters fight cravings and stay on track. A serving of peanut butter has 3 mg of the powerful antioxidant vitamin E, 49 mg of bone-building magnesium, 208 mg of muscle-friendly potassium, and 0.17 mg of immunity-boosting vitamin B6. Research shows that eating peanuts can decrease your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic health conditions. In a study it was published that consuming 1 ounce of nuts or peanut butter, about 2 tablespoons, at least 5 days a week can lower the risk of developing diabetes by almost 30%. Peanut butter is chock full of heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. A recent study found that insulin-resistant adults who ate a diet high in monos had less belly fat than people who ate more carbohydrates or saturated fat. If you're buying reduced-fat peanut butter because you think it's better for your waistline, save your money. The calories are the same, or even a little higher, thanks to the extra ingredients that are added to make up for the missing fat, including more sugar. The fat and calorie counts of most brands of peanut butter are similar, but there are other indications of a healthier pick. Sodium counts can range from 40 mg to 250 mg per 2 tablespoon serving. Organic versions tend to have less. Keep in mind that higher sodium content tends to mask the peanut flavor. The sugar content in peanut butter of natural brands is 1 to 2 grams, about half as much as commercial brands. If you're making a savory dish like satay sauce or combining peanut butter with a sweet ingredient, such as jelly or honey, save a few calories by choosing an unsweetened brand. Organic peanut butter has the best peanut flavor from the brands available in the mass market. They have a pure taste and the ideal stickiness,